Hey, this is Don from Lang Trailers, and today we're going to do a spring maintenance tip. You're opening up your trailer for the first time in the spring, so we're going to show you how to check and replace your metering cartridge. So what you're going to need for the metering cartridge is just a rag and either a crescent wrench or channel lock pliers to get to your metering cartridge. So you see this, there's a nut that's right underneath the faucet, so you just want to take a rag and put it underneath there. And you're going to do that so you don't scratch your faucet. So I'm just going to take that and wrap that around the nut, give it a little pinch, and pull it apart. And it should come apart pretty easily. So you just want to loosen the nut until your faucet part, the top part, comes off, and that exposes the metering cartridge. So you just give it a little wiggle and the metering cartridge will pop right out. Kind of looks like a spark plug. So at this point you want to just visually check to see if there's any cracks in the plastic, or if these two rings have broken or have deteriorated. And if that's the case, you're going to have to replace your metering cartridge. That will cause leaks. That'll cause water to shoot out of the top of the faucet as well. So while you have it out, that spring in there, that's your timing spring. So you either want to hit that with some WD-40 just to loosen it up a little bit, and you can adjust the timing at that point. So once you've checked it for leaks, you want to just put it right back in, put it in there until it's in there snug. Tighten your nut back down until it's finger tight. Take your rag, put it around there, squeeze it, and give it about a 6-inch turn, and it'll tighten down. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Check us out at langrestroomtrailers.com.